Hello there, I'm Luke from the Clever Car Collection, and today we've got another Suzuki Jimny. Now this Suzuki Jimny has covered just 67 miles, it is in immaculate condition, and in today's video I'm going to show you all around it so you know what to expect when coming here to the Clever Car Collection. Let's take a look. So this Suzuki Jimny has the 1.5 litre petrol engine and an automatic gearbox. It gives you a fuel economy of around 41 miles to the gallon and it has 101 brake horsepower. Now this car is an insurance group 33E and the tax is £220 for the year. First registered in February 2025, this car has covered just 67 miles. So we're just going to take a walk around it. I mean, there's not really any sort of marks or blemishes on this car, so I'll just give you a nice look from all angles. So we'll take a look at the front bumper down here. I'll show you the lights and the grille. I'll show you the bonnet. This is the windscreen. Now on the top there, we have actually got a roof rack fitted for aesthetic, but also practical reasons. It's very sturdy, solid that is. And I'll just show you this front corner and those lovely Jimny wheels. I'll say it's all very tidy. Some of the plastics on the interior are actually still in place. It's all very shiny here, all looking good. No marks that I can see. The boot is all looking good. Let's take a look around this passenger side here, show you this wheel. All looking very good here. Nothing to report. So that was a quick walk around. Now let's take a look inside. So the boot opens like so, which gives you this sort of smaller space here behind the seats. Under here you've got a bit of additional storage, but these seats are hard backed like the boot here, so that you can simply fold them forwards like so by pulling that string, which gives you your extended boot space. But if you also need the seats, they are very easy to just simply pop back up. There's also a 12-volt socket here in the boot. So we'll open up the front here. I'll show you the immaculate dash. It's all looking very good in here. So this is the inner door. As you can see, we've still actually got some of the factory packaging there. This is keyless stop and start. As you can see, just keep the key in your pocket. There's your mirror controls, which are electric and folding. Some multiple buttons there. On your steering wheel here, you've got your cruise control. There's your volume and media controls there on the left. There's your head unit, which does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's your climate controls. Down here you've got off-road mode as well as your windows. Automatic gear stick with your low range. There's your four-wheel drive controls. There's your handbrake and two heated seats. And to pull this seat forwards to get to the back, you just simply pull that lever and slide the seat forwards. Now once you've done that with two hands, you can see that the back seats are also looking very tidy. Now in the back here, these two seats do have Isofix. And down here on the floor you've got your little petrol cap pulley there too. And in the glove box here, you have actually got a USB port there for your head unit. So as you can see, there's the keys. I've got the handbrake down. What I'll do is I'll just put my foot on the brake, press the push start, and we'll just show you the dash here. Wait for the lights to go out. And as you can see, the only light we've got is the cold engine light because we've just started it from cold. But there's no warning lights on the dash, and as you can see, the odometer does read 66 miles. So this car will come with a 1-year warranty, service and a pre-delivery inspection ahead of delivery. Now, if you like this car, you can skip the £100 reservation fee, which is deductible from the total bill should you purchase it. We do offer finance and delivery also. But I think that's it for this video. If you get a chance, please check out our reviews on Google and Auto Trader. We're very proud of them, but thank you for watching.